Grade 2 girls. All right, you are welcome to our poultry farm. This is BANKYS Poultry Farm. Do you like the farm?
Yes.
Can you see the birds? They are eating. Yeah, you can see them.
But they're fat. But they're fat.
They are fat. Oh, yeah. In fact, the boys from your class, they actually just were able to pick some eggs. They laid about 3 eggs. Okay, let's show the eggs. These are some of the eggs. We already have some that have, the crates are full there. So what happened is when we feed them well, they'll be able to lay eggs. Is that okay? Yeah. And you see, our poultry is such that it is mechanized. We don't pour water on the floor. Things don't get poured on the floor. One of you can volunteer to feed. So take. All right, pour it here. Very little. Very little. Be careful. Don't put your hand. Oh yeah, just use your hand at the base and just pour there. Pour. Good. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you so much. Right. Yeah. Look at the tank for the birds. Can you see their water tank? We see we don't pour water all over the place. Our poultry is which thing? Okay, inside the tank. That is to make sure that the water does not pour over. It is regulating the quantity of water in the tank. And this is how they drink water, okay? They drink water through this thing. See, when they want to drink, they'll go. See now, you will see some of them. See, you can see this one is drinking water. That's what it's doing. Yes, you know, they are big. You can see they are big. You see the big? They use it to hit the nozzle. The nipple there. And then, no, this nozzle now. And then that's how they drink water. See, that one is drinking water. So nothing gets wasted. Yes, please. When they bring out the egg, how will they remove it? You know, like the boys, when they came, one of them in this cage laid egg. So what we did was, by the time, okay, maybe he wants to lay egg. Yeah. When they bend down like that, they may want to lay egg. So possibly we'll see wonder. Yeah, it will roll and then we can pick it. What? Okay, possibly. You may want to lay. Because this is the number we have for now. That's why we intend to buy new birds very soon. All right. Thank you for coming.